All the details on the weekend's weather with meteorologist Darren Peck.
And that is something I do want to focus on, Devin. But that possibility for lightning strikes throughout Northern California, including the Bay Area, is a Sunday afternoon into Monday morning time frame concern. And we're going to get there in the forecast in 1 second. First, let me show you what Saturday looks like. Gray out there as we look down 880, and that is a good example of what it looks like for much of the immediate Bay this morning. Temperatures are in the mid-50s. For just about everybody, although it's low 50s up in Santa Rosa. And as we come in for a closer look and actually put the clouds on top of those numbers, you can see where the gray is. East Bay shoreline, we were just looking at it on 880, certainly for the city, and up into some of those valleys in the North Bay. Santa Rosa has actually got clear skies right now, and for the most part, so does San Jose. It doesn't really get too far inland today. And it burns all the way back to the beach by the time we get to the late morning. So it'll be sunshine for everybody here by the time we get into the 9, 10 o'clock hour. And with plenty of sunshine, we're going to start warming up. Many inland locations could be as much as 4 degrees, maybe 5 degrees warmer than yesterday. So that brings our daytime highs here in the South Bay up to the mid-80s. We'll go to 81 in Palo Alto. Union City's going to 75. But it's over here where we see the numbers climb back up into the mid-upper 80s, 88 Livermore, 90 Pleasant Hill. We'll go to 84 in Dublin, 86 in Pleasanton, and back over on the East Bay shore side, it'll be in the low 70s. It'll be upper 80s as you get up into Marin, upper 80s for Sonoma, and then the numbers climb from there so that we're in the mid-90s by the time we get up into Lake and Mendocino County. All right, let's talk about the fire weather concern now, because we just saw Saturday, no real issues. Fire weather concern goes from Sunday morning through Monday morning. Notice the areas that are included in this? Mountains. Or another way of thinking of this is anywhere that has had influence from the marine layer over the last few days, this is not a fire weather concern because we've had enough humidity, the vegetation's fine. But when you get up into the hills where it has been consistently dry and warm, now that landscape is a little too dry. So now even the concern for even a modest dry lightning event becomes a major concern. And I can show you how this will play out. This is going to come from our east, from something that happens every summer. The desert Southwest has their monsoon. That's where you get into the summer thunderstorm scenario. You can really see it on the satellite here. Every once in a while, the pattern will throw those thunderstorms far enough west that California sees its share. So this is typical. It happens on, on a fairly regular basis. It's just not very often. Usually it's the Sierra that gets it. And sure enough, that's really going to be the focus here. The Sierra is really on the front lines for the possibility for this dry lightning. But if we take a look back here closer at home, watch what happens as we come in for a closer look. Play this through on Sunday. You see a few spotty showers here that want to show up close enough to the Bay Area that it will be a concern for us here locally. Call it about a 20 to 30% chance that we might have the possibility for some dry lightning. But those odds are much higher in the Sierra. Quite honestly, the Sierra is a much bigger concern on that front when we start talking about the possibility for dry lightning. Let's get into the 7-day forecast here, and we'll highlight as many locations as we can. We'll start out by taking a look across the 7-day forecast that calls out the daytime highs for San Francisco, Oakland, and San Jose. And you can see the difference. It'll be in the low 80s for the next few days in San Jose. And if we take a look at the forecast in a slightly different way now and break it up into regions that define inland East Bay on the top line, North Bay is the middle line, and there's your coast going along the bottom. You can really see the spread. Look how much warmer it is for those inland valleys of the East Bay compared to places like Santa Rosa. So you really pick out the differences if you can look at the 7-day that way. That's something they're going to be doing more often here for you.
You know, we're going to have to kind of cross our fingers that we don't get an encore of those lightning-sparked fires from last year that caused chaos in the North Bay and the East Bay, San Mateo and Santa Cruz counties along the coast all simultaneously.
Well, that's the obvious comparison that would be brought up in this scenario, and I can't stress enough that the degree to which we would see lightning would not even come close to what that was. That had on the order of thousands of lightning strikes from an unusual scenario that was tapped into a tropical storm coming from our west. This is a far more tame scenario where it should be much less, thankfully, far less lightning than what we saw in that situation.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.